Good morning. Today, plan is, I guess it's day one in Tokyo really. First full day. And it's currently 9 AM. We're heading to the subway, tube. And we're gonna get the tube to Harajuku. Plan is Meiji Jingu and explore the kind of shopping area around there this morning and / lunchtime afternoon. And then this evening, we're going to, Emma, you can tell them.
She, Her, Her, Hers, which is a Japanese band that I've been following for like a year and a bit. So, yay!
It looks really cool. It's in like a jazz bar.
Yeah, it's a jazz club. They're
Oh my god.
doing jazz versions of their songs, which is so sick.
Yeah, it will be so cool. So that's this evening. But yeah, we're 2 people down. Tristan's gone for a walk and Ben is doing an interview. So it's just me and Emma for now, but they're all going to meet up with us later. So it should be fun.
There's no such thing as a melon pan.
Emma's absolute favourite thing on planet Earth is a melon pan. We've made it to Harajuku. We're currently just sat on a little bench waiting for Ben because he's about to pop out the subway station. We just got off. Everywhere kind of opens at like 11, so we've got like half an hour till the shop's open. And then we're gonna head to Liberty Walk so that she can see some cool cars. And Ben, and me,
And you.
so exciting. So excited, Ben.
Yeah.
I found the Harry Potter shop and I'm slightly losing my mind. It's so big. Big. So good. Oh, lunchtime. We found Tristan. Oh. Now this is a video, sorry. Wow. Don't ruin my video. I was admiring the nice bonsais actually. You. Shush. Perfectly round tree ever. So shake it. Oh.
Number 17.
See it? Emma, where are we right now?
Takashita Street.
We've made it. We've just been to the
Jingu.
Jingu and it was very incredible. And now we've wandered over here. And it also looks very cool. There's a lot going on. The heck?
Still closed.
We have left Takashita Street and got the subway back to home? Yeah, where we're staying. Not very far though, to be fair. It was about half an hour to get a really quick shower. Ready for she, her, hers.
Hi.
Which is in about an hour and a half. The tube back across over to near
The Imperial Palace.
Near the Imperial Palace, that's the plan. The street was absolutely insane though. There were so many themed
So many
cafes
animals, yeah.
with animals in them, like exotic animals, and there was a woman
Otters,
holding
sloths.
an otter. Yeah, sloths, pigs, cats, dogs. Yeah, really crazy. There was a lot happening. Kind of cool, but not so sure about the otters being kept in cafes. But yeah, very interesting to see anyway. It is 11 AM and we're on our way to the cinema. It's Tristan's birthday!
I love your shot. All like chin level.
I tried to get that in your face then. It's Tristan's birthday and we are heading to the cinema because it is raining. I went for a run this morning just before it started raining, and then we went home, got ready, and yeah, we're gonna watch Project Hail Mary. That's our plan, to shelter, and then not sure what we're gonna do after that. Probably get some lunch and then see what the birthday boy fancies. Oh, I think we've gone the wrong way. Wow. What did you rate Project Hail Mary?
Bdays.
Oh! Massive thumbs down. It was so good.
This guy doesn't have a shirt on.
Literally. Yum. Wow. We've come to Disney Sea for the day. So exciting! We're heading for Tower of Terror right now. We just got into the park and that's the plan before the queue gets too long. Tower of Terror. I'm taking it. Oops. We just did Tower of Terror. I almost had a heart attack.
She's still shaking.
As soon as we dropped, I just grabbed hold of Tristan. I just like him in shell shock in the picture. It's not particularly good. I don't know. Where are we going now?
Raging Rapids or something?
Raging
Roller
Rapids.
coaster.
Yeah, a roller coaster. Might have to be more of a chill ride after that. A recovery ride, yeah. That queue felt pretty fast. I don't think it felt like we were queuing for that long. But it was good.
Look at the Baymaxes on there.
So cool, isn't it? Okay, we've left the boys. They're gonna stay and do the roller coaster, which was a 2-hour wait, and we're gonna take some pictures and tick off some rides. So yeah, I feel like I I'm happy about the separation, but Emma's joined me. But this is so cool. Just had some lunch in the cutest little moochie ever, and we're now heading to Journey to the Centre of the Earth because we've got fast passes, so hopefully we don't have to wait 240 minutes in the queue, and we just watched the little 25th anniversary show as well, which was really nice. What are we queuing for?
Frozen.
Yeah, how excited are we? Yeah!
Stoke is
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow! That is horrible. That is really awful. To the Centre of the Earth was great. I'm so glad we got fast pass, and then we discovered singles lines were a thing, and we've just blitzed through probably like 4 hours worth of lines in like half an hour, and got our ride count total for the day up to 9. So pretty successful, I reckon. Now we're gonna get the train back home. It's like 6. Oh, it's 6:30, so the ride is the park's shutting because it closes earlier today. But it's been such a fun day. We're so tired now though. So excited to go home, watch a Disney movie and sleep. Yay!